Bye-bye.
What?
Later. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Firstly, I apologize for the noise on the outside. It's a busy working day.
Yep.
Sam is about to go to work, but we're going to drop off Samuel at school today. So today is going to be his first day. So it's kinda
Yeah, and it was a hard decision, and we actually registered him from August for the September term, and then we changed our mind and I said it. But
you have to go.
yeah, eventually he would have to go. You get me? And he really want for their own kids his age.
Yeah, when we brought him there the other day to finish up the process and things, him just walk go inside.
Take a seat.
Go sit down, even though school was out. But we'll get him ready now.
Yeah.
We don't know what the direction is going to be like today. And then we'll just show you.
Yeah.
Zin?
Hi.
Are you ready for school?
Yeah.
You know you can't carry past the school, right? You cannot carry past the school. So you have to take out the pass. Put down the pass on the bed till I come back. Good boy. You want to put on your clothes now?
Yeah.
See your clothes right there. So I'm going to get a dress and then we go to school, okay?
Yeah.
You're happy?
Happy.
For your first day? Don't crush up the clothes. Let me do it for you. I'll put it on for you. You still put him at the pass? Remember you can't carry past the school. Yeah, high five. Alright, you ready to put on your shoes now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put on your shoes and let's go.
Go.
Excited.
Eh.
You can't see the camera. I have to hold it on you. Alright. Alright, let's put on your shoes. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Sam, I can hold the bag. Alright, I'm gonna take down the bag for you. Go. You carrying the bag? Sam, where you going? You going to school? Okay. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye. You going to talk to your friends? Come. Come this way. Come Sam, we're almost there. Him have a good man. Sam, say hi. Wave. You okay with your bag? You want to carry a bag for you? No? Okay. Alright.
Let's fix the watch.
What is it? Fix your watch. Let mommy fix the watch on it, Ann.
Hey.
Come. Bye bye, Sam. Bye bye.
What?
Later.
Morning.
Alright.
Bye, my name is Samuel. See you later, alright? Bye.
Be sure on the just see that.
Me couldn't believe. Like, him just walk
He just said bye.
and it just gone.
I don't know if we get a proper picture or anything like that.
Him not even want to take picture, so we are try. Man, you taking things and walk and never turn back.
As soon as I finish put on him clothes, him just grab him bag and he ready to go through the door. I try get a piece of it and I try get a picture and him just ready. So we actually did not go inside this morning, but we know what the place is like already. We spoke to the people them already. But
it don't seem like they're allowing parents to go.
no. So as you can see, as you have seen, as we reached at the gate and I said bye, Samuel said bye, and he took off leaving bag and everything in the teacher hand.
No.
And that was it.
That's nice.
We never hear no bawling.
Oh my God.
You know what?
How to feel.
Let me just enjoy these few hours and then see what it is like when I go back to him later. But guys, I know a lot of kids are already out, even since the pandemic.
Yeah.
So we can't keep him in the house forever, to be honest. So
Pray and leave him in the hand of God. Yeah. He's
So-
gonna be good.
trust me, he's going to be fine. I can't wait to see his reaction later. Or if you hear him start tell me what happened, and we just have to wait and see. But anyways, Sammy have to go to work. So she's leaving us right now. So later when I see Samuel, we'll probably just see me and him alone.
Yeah, that's it.
But later guys, I'll pick up with you in a few.
Well,
But Sammy can tell you from now, if you're like a line.
so you see it up to say it, sir?
Yeah.
The journey continues, right?
With me and Samuel.
Bye
Later
from
guys,
me.
Mr. will link you back. Yeah, so it's that time of the day. I'm going to go pick up Samuel now from school. I wonder how was his first day. Let's see, when I go get him, I'll ask him some questions. Then again, I'm probably not going to ask him nothing. Because knowing these kids, them talk everything. So I'm going to head out now, go pick him up. And then we link on about scene. Sam, we're crying. Hmm? Come. Come, we're crying. You see? See the garbage truck? Garbage truck soon come over here.
You can come on this side.
See, I'm home, guys. Can I say I'm home? They don't hear. I say I'm home.
Okay.
How was school? Hmm? You just want to go play with your toys, them, eh? Yeah? It on? Press it. So how was school today? Hmm? What? How was school? School was fun? School was fun? You want me to press it? Tell me how was school now? How was school? Alright, come go bed. Come go bed and let's go call mommy on the phone, okay? Okay? Alright, come let's bed, come. Tired? Oh my, you're going to sleep. Hmm? Come go bed, Sam. What are you looking for? Come, it's in here. I have it. Take out your passy. How was school today? Hmm? You went to school? Stay right here and talk to me, now, boy. Talk to me. How was school? What's that? What's that? Garbage truck? Garbage truck is coming? Garbage truck coming for your pussy? Yes. Come and tell your friends how was school today. Come on. What did you learn? Stop running from me. What did you learn? Hmm? What did you learn today? You just want to play? Alright, I'm going to call mommy for you. Wait, let me call mommy. Call mommy and tell mommy how was school today.
Okay.
Call mommy. Let me see. Who's that?
Mommy.
You gonna tell mommy what you did today? Hmm? Talk to mommy.
How are you?
Hmm?
You okay?
Hold the tablet, let me go make a milk. Talk to mommy.
Mommy. Wait, food. Food.
Tell mommy.
Mommy.
What you getting?
Wait,
Yeah?
and food.
You poo today?
You went to school?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah? You want milk?
Yeah.
Take out the passy and talk to mommy, let me get the milk. Put down the passy. What you watching? Who's that?
Daddy.
That's daddy?
Mommy.
And mommy? And who?
You.
That's you?
Me.
Okay. As him reach home and that's what him gonna watch. That's all Samuel do. That's all him do. Yes guys, so Samuel not so much. Him come home, me just change him, bathe him, put on some fresh clothes, him ask for milk. As you can see, him gonna write him videos. I guess it was a good day. No complaints. You want to say something?
Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah.
You're being a dinosaur? Huh? You're a dinosaur?
Daddy.
Yeah? What? What? A dinosaur's right here? You see it? That's a dinosaur on the bed? Huh? Is that a dinosaur sticker? Hmm? What you do at school today? What you do at school? Huh? Alright, cover your mail. Cover it. Cover it. Cover it. I guess his day was good. I got no complaints about him today.
Yeah.
You get Omar?
Daddy.
You get Omar?
Daddy.
Yes? Sticker? Yes, I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. You trying to tickle me? What are you tickling me for? Eh? Yes? Hey. 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 Yes guys, so there I go and chill. Someone always make noise with the tablet. But yeah, first day in come back with him alright. Give God thanks. So we just have to send them out there, pray for them, and just wish for the best, pray that everything goes well. And yeah, basically that's it for today. If not much to say, I guess as time progresses and we'll have more chattings and you know. And then going right to another video. Right there as you guys can see. So checking out now guys, so I'll catch you guys in another video. Sammy's at work. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for your comments. And guys, I really hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Hope you're enjoying the other videos that we are producing. Like I've said before, it was a good day for Samuel, his first day. So we just have to continue, give God thanks, and to trust that everything will be alright. And know, especially for Sammy, she is a bit worried. Not that I'm not worried, but I just accept the fact that I have to go to school. But just when I say she worried and she fret, she do it a lot because of the pandemic and thing. But guys, they have to go. Kids have to learn. They have to socialize. They have to play. It's a part of their growth. So we just have to allow them to go out there and to interact. We were not made to be in the house forever. We were not made to wear masks forever. We were made as social beings, and as such, him just have to go. So if we can catch him on another day to give you another update on school, and we'll do just that. But for now, guys, please remember to keep safe. Remember also to protect your mental health, and remember to comment, remember to share, remember to like, and if you are new, please remember to subscribe. And guys, we thank you all for your support. And until next time, Sammy said it earlier, but I'll say it again. The journey continues, and we'll catch you guys in another video. So peace out.